Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow displaying tagged photos to your friends on Facebook Web using your PC. This quick guide is based on the new update, and by the end of it, your friends will be able to see the photos they have tagged you in right on your profile. Let's get started. First, open Facebook Web on your preferred browser and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will drop down. From here, choose Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control all your Facebook preferences. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for Profile and Tagging and click on it. This is a section that manages who can tag you, how tagging works, and what others can see on your profile. Now, under the section titled Who can see what others post on your profile, you'll see a small drop-down menu next to it. Click on that menu to open a list of privacy options. From here, choose Friends. This setting allows only the people on your friend list to see any photos or posts that others tag you in. Once you've selected it, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings so that tagged photos are now visible to your friends on Facebook. Making sure your tagged photos are visible only to friends is a great way to stay connected while keeping your profile private and secure. Facebook updates its interface often, so keeping an eye on these settings from time to time helps maintain control over your online presence. If this quick tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one.